Hi everybody, welcome back to Ask AJ. I'm AJ Hanna from Symphony Ventures, here talking about robotic process automation and intelligent automation. And a question that we get frequently asked when we're engaging clients or prospective clients to help them on their automation journey is, do I have to re-engineer processes in order to automate them? Now, the short answer to that is no, not necessarily. But whether you should re-engineer those processes is another question, and here's why. We're busy in our operating environments, and we sometimes allow processes to get layered on with activities that if you ask the question, why do we do that? You may get the answer, well, that's just the way we've always done it, which is an indicator that you really don't know why you're doing that part of the process and should lead you to ask the question whether it should really be there. You would be wasting effort to automate something that in the grand scheme of things doesn't need to be a part of it. The other thing that we find is that even with organizations that are very diligent about maintaining their process documentation, their desk operating procedures, process workflows, and so on, that oftentimes what's really happening with associates when we're looking at or when you observe them in the act of transacting a process and what's actually documented can be two different things, which again means that you may have had change in that environment that isn't reflected in the process. And so re-engineering or re-evaluating those processes, perhaps with the help of a continuous improvement professional, will just make it that much easier for you to know that you're spending your effort in automation on the activity that really needs to be done and can help speed up your path to productivity with that particular automation. I want to make sure that we all understand that just because that you've brought in your continuous improvement team doesn't mean that you've now eliminated everything that would possibly be automated. That's not true. I have heard people use the fact that their processes are lean as a rationale for why they don't think they need to automate. Being lean and being automation ready are not the same thing. So leaning out your processes is a wonderful thing to do and is the right thing to do in terms of process efficiency. But remember, leaning those processes doesn't mean that you don't have opportunities that still exist for automation. If you have any questions that you want to see me address in future episodes of Ask AJ, drop me a note at askaj@symphonyhq.com. Follow the YouTube channel at Ask AJ, and follow me on Facebook and Twitter at Ask AJ Hanna, no H on the end, and we'll see you again next time.